and our dog's missing.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry.
And we just built it.
Oh, family's okay and accounted for?
We all fell down the stairs to the basement.
You ran down the stairs or fell down the stairs?
We all fell.
Fell?
Yeah, as soon as it hit, we all ran. And
so what happened? Like, take me right through it.
We saw wind, and I said there was a tornado happening, and we just went right down the stairs, and my husband grabbed our other son, and it was just so scary.
Yeah. Have you nothing like this before in your life? You're like, what was it like being in the house?
I thought we were going to die. Everything you kept hearing glass breaking, and then someone knocked on our window to see if everybody was okay. And did they find
Where
him?
do you live, ma'am?
Porcupine Trail.
Porcupine Trail.
I'm her husband.
How you guys? You okay?
Yeah, we're okay. Just some cuts and stuff.
From cuts? From falling down the stairs to get downtown?
Yeah.
You're on Porcupine Trail?
Yeah, 159.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's turn right and it's the first street on the left.
Okay.
Somebody's trapped downstairs too, they said.
And not in your house?
No.
How many people were in your house? 4?
There was the four of us, yeah.
And 2 dogs.
And your 2 sons and 2 dogs?
Yeah.
And this is one dog here?
Yeah.
Just absolutely insane winds. This guy was black. I was coming from Canada, and driving up, you could start to see the wind swirl in a sort of pattern, and then then you saw trees breaking, etc., etc.
You said you saw the tornado?
Yes.
And how big was it?
Massive. But
how many blocks would you say, or like if you could see?
City blocks. I couldn't even estimate.
No. What happened? What were you thinking when you see it? Like you're close. How close were you?
Well, the branches were breaking off and hitting the car, so pretty much right into it.
And what were you thinking?
I was just thinking, like people started to pull over, and I was thinking everybody should just hunker down in their car and duck.
Personally, were you worried at all?
Yeah, very much so. Yeah. And then the trees started to become uprooted, as you see along Dunrobin Road.
Yeah.
And then it didn't last very long. It just lasted maybe for